So in the previous video I mentioned a new project. It was a machinist hammer. So the head was already finished, somehow lost the footage, but I'll need to make the handle for it, and I have some plans over here. I don't think they really show up good, but yeah, this is what I'm trying to follow, and while I'm working I can change some small details on it, and now I'll start working on the end cap. I think it will be a 20 millimeter in diameter. Drawing says 35. Oval, what do you call that? It's always shaped like an egg or something, and I think I'll do this with this one as well. Forget to mention some details. This is all made of stainless steel. This one is made of stainless steel, this one of aluminum, and this one of plastic, hard plastic. Forgot the name of it. Okay, so let's start by facing off this piece of stock. No, that's awful. Let's try that one again. Not even close. I'm at 10 millimeters, but I do a little checkup on my micrometer if I hit the dimensions right. So this should be 9.98. So if not, then I can change the DRO. We're at 8.65, and that's okay. About 2.5 hundredths in time. You can still find it. 8.1. This is 7.85. That's a bit on the small side, but I think it will manage. It will do, it will do. So it's now time for single point threading. Okay, this is just a tiny one, so we'll see how we do. We'll see how we do. Okay. Some speeds. I'm just gonna take it easy. Put some cutting oil in it. And here we go. Dialing in 0.15. The first turn. Should be a decent one. You do a little deeper. 0.3. So if you're wondering why thread cutting is so easy on this lathe, I did a video about it. So look through my videos and you will find it. Was it 0.4, 0.5? .5, we were at 0.6, and we do a little spring pass. Stainless steel can be quite a hard one to single point cut because the speeds are so low. Yeah, 7.5. Let's go for it. Hopefully it's not too sloppy. Oh, it's a nice fit. It's actually a nice fit. Real nice fit. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, let's try this one. 3.5. 3.5, yes. So bring it in at 13.5. Yeah, better. Yeah, fix the chuck. Okay, let's see how this one performs. No. Alright. That's way too much speed. Let's set it up for 200. No. Yeah, 260. Let's see what's 260. Let's see how that performs. That's okay. Chips are okay. Okay. Time to put a jumper on it. So that's a nice generous jumper. Okay. Put this one back in a little bit and we'll find the spot. Yep. We'll find it, no problem. There it is. And there it goes. Okay, it's a pretty nice result. Okay, so first part almost completed. I think we cut that one off once the handle is fully ready. So I changed the stock and the tool post. And this part I need to single point thread 12. So I'm aiming for a dimension slightly under 12. So 11.8, 11.85. The outside dimension, where's the head of the hammer? Yep. It should end up fitting in here, and that's about 15.7. So I'll do this one in one operation and then single point threads and see if we hit the dimensions right so the handle fits. Left on line. See how we did? I don't know if you can see that. 11.85. No. Right on dimension. Okay, time to single point thread again. So I know M12 is 1.75. So I prepare the lathe for a pitch of 1.75. Just looking for my brush. Where did I put it? Okay. Oh crap. Nope. That's not right. First I need to go up to 15.7 on this side. Yeah, let's do that first. Yeah. Everything is empty, and I'm set to below. Empty. Yeah, that's okay. Let's go up to 18 and we'll check it again. You think the 18? No, let's go right up to 57. Right up 7 feet. And then it's over. So now we're up to the point where we can single point thread it. So let's see how we did. It feels, there it goes. Yeah, I think that's more a problem in the head of the hammer. Okay, I'll tap that one a bit deeper and I'll come back. So I was turning off quite enthusiastic and I forgot to put the camera on, but we're almost at the end of this one. I'm gonna put some layout fluid on there, mark the spot where I need to cut it off, but it does the job quite well, I need to say. So more than enough. More than enough. I'll put a mark at 125 millimeters. This one is a bit in the way. I think it's not dry. Not quite enough. Oh yeah, that's visible. Now, parting it off, putting an M8 in the end. Let's try the end cap. And yeah, put on the coolant. And hopefully that don't mess up. No, it doesn't.